Welcome, people.
You take it off.
Welcome, people of YouTube land.
How?
I look better now.
Turn this way a little bit.
Is it on her?
There you
It actually is on there, but it just doesn't look right.
go. Okay.
Hold on, let me put some blinds.
So what's happening now is now that she's had her blind makeover, which Mom fixed, I'm completely disappointed about. These two girls are gonna be blindfolded. I've already messed up my own stuff a little bit, so I don't feel so bad. But
You need to hurry up, it's coming down. I thought it was like.
anyways, enjoy the show. I'm about to get my face messed up by two weirdos.
Oh, please.
So it's like
Say
that.
weirdos. Call me weirdos one more time.
Weirdos.
You do not know what is coming. One more time.
I could.
Weirdos.
Fine. You're going to get the worst blindfolded makeover ever.
Are you ready? You ready?
Let me
We're
get
gonna
the
give her
stuff out.
The
And
worst.
you're not allowed to look up even once.
Okay.
Okay.
I just got her. You ready?
Yeah.
It's about to get messy.
Go.
Start.
Eyes closed.
Yes.
Just don't hurt me, okay?
Is this your eye?
I'm not sure which one is you. Keep doing that on purpose. What are you doing?
Okay. Oh.
You're supposed to make it look good.
Okay. Now you have to do this. What is this?
I don't know. I can't see.
Okay.
Okay. I got
You have lip gloss, Judy.
Okay.
I
We're
opened
gonna
my
give
eyes.
you lip gloss.
Oh no.
Where is everybody?
Where is she?
Hey,
You see her? Where is she?
she ran off.
Can we take our blindfolds off?
No, we have to find her blindfolded.
Okay. Oh, I hope I don't run into the wall.
Come with us, YouTube. Take your blindfolds off. Might as well. Where'd you go? No! You can't do this! You can't do this! You have been captured! You have been... You are caught.
Try to leave.
She was gonna kill me.
Where is your lips?
Just don't get it in my hair, please. Try to get it in my lips.
This it. Yes.
Where is she?
Are you blindfolded, April?
Yes.
Yes, okay. That looks probably bad.
Can I have the lip gloss?
That's the color shade. That's the color shade.
Where's the lip gloss?
Look,
It's right here.
it's not lip gloss. It's the color shade. Lipstick.
Okay.
So if it stains your skin and it's still there in the morning, I apologize. Clarissa. Clarissa.
Okay.
Tone it down before it's over.
What is this?
Holding a brush.
Okay,
Okay, it's enough.
we're finished. Now to reveal.
Let's go see what I look like.
Bring the YouTubers.
Wait, we have to turn the light on first. Where's the light?
Huh?
Okay.
It's okay. I'll get you back. I'll get you back.
You look so pretty. You see the lip gloss. The lip gloss not even touching her lips.
Okay, you know what? Let's turn it off.
No way.
Never